Welcome, construction crew. Ready to match these mighty machines. Vroom vroom!
I bet the bulldozer goes in the sky. Wait, no? Let's drag these pieces to their shadows.
Look at that! You matched the hard-working digger's blade perfectly. High five, friend!
Oopsie! That piece doesn't fit there, buddy. Let's try a different spot!
Click! You did it! The excavator is ready to dig deep into the dirt now. Amazing focus!
Bulldozer.
Bulldozer.
Oh no, that mixer drum is wiggling! It's just a little shy. Let's help it find its home.
Wow, look at those real-life giants go! These vehicles keep our city growing strong every single day.
Excavator.
Excavator.
Confetti time! Everything is in place. You are officially a master construction puzzle pro. Watch that concrete mixer spin.
Mixer truck.
It's busy mixing up
Concrete
fresh cement
mixer
for the
truck.
next big project.
Concrete mixer truck.
Concrete mixer truck.
That was legendary, building team. See you next time for more fun adventures. Bye-bye.
Hello, explorers. Welcome to our awesome worldwide puzzle adventure. Are you ready to play?
Whoa! Check out those super cool skull bikes. Vroom vroom! Did you see that giant kaboom?
Even Pedro the actor is surprised by these wild rides. Can you make a silly face just like that cat? Look at all these floating wheels! We need to pick the perfect one to fix our motorcycle puzzle.
3, 2,
The timer is ticking down fast.
Go!
3, 2, 1. Point to the wheel you think fits best.
Speed is getting so excited. He's cheering for us to find the right match. You can do it!
Hey, is that Gru? Maybe he wants to borrow a bike for his next mission. Haha, so silly.
Travis Scott is impressed by your puzzle skills. Keep going, superstars.
Deadpool is here to celebrate. Let's dance and wiggle just like that happy kid on screen.
What the fuck?
We did it! The skeletons are dancing and the fireworks are popping. You are officially the best puzzle masters in the whole world. Great job today. Welcome, puzzle explorers. Today, our brave police car buddy is going on a sky-high adventure. Vroom, vroom!
Whoa! Did you see car just took off like a rocket ship? Zoom!
Look! A pink police car joined the party! Can you count how many cars are flying above?
Mysterious UFO. Maybe it wants to play our matching game, guys.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh no, the grumpy cat says that's the wrong badge. Try again. Point to the right one.
Haha! look at that face. Even the streamer is totally shocked by our puzzle skills.
What?
Yay! SpongeBob and Squidward are dancing because we found the perfect match. Great job.
Oh my God!
Ding ding! That badge fits perfectly. You guys are absolute puzzle pros.
He's so excited he could jump. We are doing amazing, everyone.
Look at all that confetti. We finished the mission. You're all superstars. See you next time. Vroom, vroom. Look at our brave police car friend cruising down the road today. Oh no, a big crash. Our poor little pink friend is so sad. We need to help fix the car. Time for a puzzle challenge. Can you help us find where these pieces belong?
Maybe this square piece goes right here? Whoops, that doesn't fit at all.
Keep trying. Look closely at the shapes. Does that edge match the silhouette? Focus, focus. Let's rotate it just a little bit more.
I bet it goes in this spot. No? Okay, let's try the other one.
Click yes. We got the main body in. That's a huge step forward.
Who is that visiting our workshop? What a surprising guest.
Wait!
Woof! Even the puppy wants to help us finish our police buddy today. Don't feel sad, little emoji. We are getting so close to the finish line. Let's count the wheels together. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
No! God! No! God, please, no! No!
Almost there. Just a couple more clicks and we're done.
Meow! Even the kitty thinks we are doing a great job. Look at it glow. Our brave police car is back on duty and ready to roll. You did it, super puzzlers! Give yourselves a huge high five for being so smart today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun adventures. Hey everyone! Welcome to our big construction challenge. Are you ready to build?
I see a cabin. Let's snap it on. Click. Vroom, vroom.
Great job! Now we have our hard-working digger ready for action. Look at these shadows. Can you find the silhouette for our mighty dump truck?
Wait, what's that penguin doing here? That's not a bulldozer.
Oh no, a silly troll face. Quick, focus. Where does the loader go? SpongeBob is popping up everywhere. Keep your eyes on the shadows, friends.
I found it. The loader fits perfectly in the shadow. Kapow!
Almost there. Can you point to the last shadow on your screen? You did it! All the construction buddies are in their spots.
Loader.
Look at that! The real hardworking digger is filling the truck with dirt. Beep beep!
That's a lot of earth. It's so heavy and strong.
Dump truck. Dump truck.
Check out these cool vehicles. They are the stars of the construction site.
Bulldozer.
You guys are master builders. Thanks for playing our puzzle game today. See you next time. Welcome, Puzzle Masters. Today we are playing with our super strong construction crew on the hopscotch court.
Whoa! Look at the digger, the dump truck, and the steamroller rolling in. Vroom, vroom, everyone!
Hey, where did that zoomy orange sports car come from? It's kicking up so much dust. Everything turned into shadows. Can you guess which vehicle belongs to which shape?
I'm going to put the wheels on the roof. That works, right?
Oh, silly! Wheels go at the bottom, not on the roof. Let's find the right spot together.
Good job.
Let's try to fit this big, heavy bucket onto the dump truck silhouette. Will it click? Let's see.
Nice. Good job.
Keep trying. Maybe rotate the piece just a little bit to the left. You've got this. Amazing!
No.
Click! It fits perfectly. Great job matching those pieces, team.
No, God!
Look at that dump truck glow. It's happy to be back in one piece and ready for work. We did it! All our construction friends are ready to go. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun! Hey there, puzzle explorers. Welcome to the field where our mighty cement mixer friend is waiting for a tune-up.
Whoa! Zap, did you see that lightning bolt? It turned our truck into a mystery outline.
Don't worry, team. We just need to find the missing pieces to bring our hardworking mixer back to life.
Is that a toaster? I'm going to put the toaster on the truck. Wait, no? Okay. It's the cabin door.
Great catch! Click! That cabin door fits perfectly. Now our driver has a cozy spot to sit. Time for the exhaust pipe. Can you point to the screen and help us guide it into place? 1, 2, 3, snap!
Honk, honk! There goes the horn. Our friend is sounding stronger every single second.
colors shine. We are painting the drum now, getting it ready to carry all that heavy concrete. Boom! Fireworks everywhere! You did it, Puzzle Masters! Our cement mixer is back and better than ever!
High five! You guys are absolute legends at fixing trucks. See you in the next big challenge.
Hi, friends. Our yellow buddy is here to start a super fun puzzle adventure.
Whoa, look at those mysterious shapes. Is that a race car? Maybe a rocket ship?
Oh my God!
Slide that piece right into the slot. Click!
go!
You're doing a fantastic job matching these up. Almost there. Can you spot the last piece? It looks like a big rectangle.
Vroom vroom! Our jolly recycling truck is all finished and ready to keep the streets clean.
Let's count the wheels on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great counting, everyone.
Beep beep! Here come the mighty dump truck, ready to haul some heavy rocks.
How are we gonna get up there?
Look at him shine. He's so strong and sturdy. He can carry anything. Wow, look at our amazing team of vehicles. We finished the whole puzzle together. Magical. That monster truck is glowing. Thanks for playing. You absolute puzzle superstars. Welcome, puzzle explorers. Can you guess which of these 3 emergency heroes we are building today?
I bet it's the fire truck. I love the giant ladder. Vroom vroom.
Nice try, but watch closely. We are assembling the speedy ambulance that helps people feel better.
Oh, an ambulance! It needs to be super fast. Let's help get those parts together.
3, 2, 1, go! Drag that shiny chassis right into the shadow, everyone! It fits perfectly. Click! Now, where does the main body go? Point to it on your screen. Now for the wheels. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4 wheels as we're ready to roll.
Wait, did I forget the siren? Oh, there it is. Beep boop. Here comes the emergency team.
Ta-da! Our ambulance is complete and ready for action. Look at those beautiful fireworks celebrating our win.
Boom pop. We did it. You guys are absolute puzzle pros. See you next time, Speedsters.
Hey there, puzzle explorers. Welcome to our big vehicle building adventure today.
Vroom. Look at that yellow truck go. He loves keeping our park clean.
Can you spot the difference? Which one is the garbage truck? And which is the tanker?
I bet the tanker truck is the one with the big round belly. Am I right?
Close, but let's build our jolly garbage truck friend first. Drag that chassis into place. Click. That piece fits like a glove. You're doing great. Keep going. Time for the wheels. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Almost there. Just a few more snaps to finish our yellow buddy.
magical sparkle. He's ready to roll. Beep, beep. Now we have a green garbage truck. Let's find where this heavy cabin goes.
Grab your virtual wrench. Let's tighten those bolts together. Click, click, click.
This yellow tanker truck is huge! Help me slide the main tank into the silhouette. Great focus! You are a master mechanic. Just a little bit more to the left. Wow, they look amazing all together. Happy New Year, trucks! You all did a fantastic job today, superstars. Hey everyone, grab your detective hats because we are on a mission with SpongeBob today.
Is he looking for a sandwich? Oh wait, it's a super cool police truck. Beep, beep.
This brave police truck needs his gear back. Can you help us pick the right fender? It's puzzle time.
Maybe the bright pink one? No? How about this neon green one? Vroom, vroom.
No. Not quite silly. Let's look at the shape. Which one fits perfectly into the empty space? You found it! That blue fender is a perfect match. Click! Now, let's find those wheels.
Try the big ones. Wait, those are too tiny. Let's count them together.
No.
1, 2, 3, 4 wheels.
No!
Look at that! She's cheering because we got them all on. Great teamwork, everyone. Wow! Look at him zoom away! He's changing colors like magic. Ta-da!
Our new police car is on the scene. Point your finger at the screen to help us choose the next piece.
Is it the yellow piece? No, that's for a tractor. Let's try the matching blue one.
No.
She's so happy! We are almost done. Can you shout go when the final wheel clicks into place? Oh no!
Boom! Fireworks! You did it, Puzzle Masters. You're the best helpers ever. See you next time.
Hey there, puzzle superstars! Ready to build some heavy-duty machines with us today?
Look at that pink arm. Is it a giant spoon? Wait, no, it's a hard-working digger.
hardworking digger uses that bucket to scoop up dirt. Can you help us snap the wheels on? Ta-da! She's all finished and ready to dig. Pop goes the confetti. Woohoo!
Now it's time for a green trend. Is this a race car, maybe?
Not quite. That's a mighty dump truck. Perfect for carrying big loads. Click, clack. Let's attach the bed.
Boom! Another masterpiece. Great building, everyone.
Our construction crew is ready for action. Hit that subscribe button to join our next big adventure. Welcome to the ultimate puzzle adventure, explorers. Let's zoom along the beach with our brave police car friend.
Whoa, look out! Is that a monster police car? It's super grumpy. Zoom, zoom.
Oh no, those sparks mean trouble. Can you help our brave police car stay safe? Tap the screen to help him. Zap! They merged together. Did they just become one super vehicle? That is one cool trick.
Magic is in the air. Look, the Grim Reaper is using his powers to take the monster car apart. Abracadabra.
It's building time. Let's count down together. 3, 2, 1. Let's find the missing parts.
3, 2, 1, go!
Hot dog. Mickey Mouse is here to help us finish this puzzle. Great job spotting that piece, everyone.
Boom! Fireworks everywhere. SpongeBob and Squidward are joining the party. You did it, Puzzle Masters. See you next time.
Hey there, puzzle explorers. Are you ready to build some super cool vehicles with us today?
Look at those wheels. Is that a giant pizza? No, wait. It's our brave police car, buddy.
Silly! It's a police car that keeps the streets safe. Let's snap those pieces together. Click clack.
Whoa, look at that sparkle. Our police car is transforming into a superhero. Boom!
Wow, what a celebration! Can you count the falling confetti pieces with me? 1, 2, 3! Now what's this? A monster truck with giant bouncy tires. Vroom vroom, get ready to roll!
I bet it's going to turn into a giant marshmallow. Or maybe a spaceship.
Not quite. It's a magical transformation for our tough truck. Watch it glow, ting-a-ling. That is one cool ride. Point your finger at the screen and give it a high five, kids!
Yay!
The fireworks are popping, and our friends are ready for adventure. What a brilliant night!
You guys were amazing puzzle masters today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun.
Hey there, puzzle explorers. Ready to build some mighty machines with us today?
Whoa, watch out! Boom! That tanker just transformed into a super cool semi-truck.
It's time for a shadow match. Can you spot where the cabin goes? Let's go! Grab that big engine piece and drag it right into the silhouette. Click.
Is it going here? No, that's definitely the wrong spot. Silly me.
Great save. Now let's count those wheels together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at our mighty truck taking shape. Slide that container right into place.
Yay!
Ta-da! You did it! Our trucks are ready to hit the road. You're a puzzle genius.
Vroom vroom! High five, everyone. See you in the next mission.
Hey there, little builders. ready to solve some super cool construction puzzles with us?
I see a shadow. Is it a giant toaster? Maybe a robot?
Silly! That's our hardworking digger and a forklift. Let's build them together. Look, pick the yellow forks. Snap them right onto the front. Click-clack.
Vroom vroom. Can you count the 4 sturdy wheels? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Fantastic work! Our yellow forklift is ready to lift heavy boxes at the warehouse. Now, let's assemble this pink excavator. Where does the big digging arm go?
Put it on top. No, wait, that looks like a hat. Put it on the body.
Perfect. Those tracks help the excavator move through the mud. Dig, dig, dig! Time for the mighty dump truck. Can you find the orange bed piece?
I found it. Super shiny. Does it fit on the chassis? Let's try.
Beep, beep! The dump truck is all set to carry sand to the building site. Wow, look at them go! Fireworks for our amazing team. You did a great job today, superstars.